Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by getting your Mac ready and signing into Microsoft. First, check Mac OS is up to date so apps run smoothly. Once done, open the App Store or Microsoft website to download Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Teams. Install Microsoft Auto Update to keep everything patched automatically. Make sure you know your Microsoft account email and have your phone or authenticator for multi-factor login. This initial step prevents access hiccups and lets you move quickly into app setup and configuration. Next, install and configure each Microsoft app on your Mac. Launch Word, Excel, and Teams one at a time so Mac OS prompts for permissions. Grant microphone, camera, and screen recording to Teams for calls. Sign into each app using the same Microsoft account so licenses sync and templates appear. For file access, connect OneDrive and decide between files on demand or full folder sync to manage disk space. Choose preferred documents and desktop sync if desired. These steps ensure apps run smoothly and your files stay accessible. Finally, optimize your workflow and know how to fix common issues. Set keyboard shortcuts and touch bar controls, and make Microsoft apps the default for Office files so double-clicking opens them instantly. Keep Microsoft Auto Update active to receive stability and security fixes. If an app misbehaves, try signing out and back in, clearing the app cache, or reinstalling that specific app. Also verify your internet connection and Microsoft account status. One key tip: check Auto Update and OneDrive sync first, since many problems stem from outdated.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.